30 years from now, where will you be financially? Have you planned for your future? If not, you are not alone. Many people have a 401k at their jobs, but is that enough? You may need to do more than just invest behind the scenes to start taking control of your financial future. Let's address the elephant in the room. Many questions may pop up into your head. Is it too late for me to start investing? In my 20s, my 30s, even my teens? No, it's never too late to forge a path to investing independence. In this video, I'm going to share the 5-step framework that I use to build my financial future. Step 1 was research. We had to identify the problem. We knew the cost of living was high. I was feeling the pinch. Step 1 was to research. I was tired of living paycheck to paycheck. I knew my cost of living was high, but I needed to find a way to break the cycle. I thought that I couldn't invest because every dollar I made was being spent on all of my bills. So I turned to YouTube. I began to research, how do I start investing for free because I didn't have any extra money laying around. Once I went to YouTube and started realizing there is a way to direct your money to begin investing, I started. Once I realized there was a way to direct the money that I was making from my job towards investments for a very low cost, I took the next step. Since younger Americans are beginning to invest sooner than previous generation thanks to increased access to investing and financial education, let's move on to step 2, find your super app. After all of my research, it led me to the M1 Finance platform. M1 Finance empowers new investors to take control of their financial future with ease and flexibility. At its core, M1 Finance combines the best features of traditional brokerage accounts with the simplicity of robo-advisors, creating a user-friendly experience for investors at all levels. Focused on tech, with M1 Finance, you have the freedom to create a personalized investment portfolio tailored to your unique goals and risk tolerance. You can choose from a wide range of stocks, bonds, and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, to build your portfolio, or opt for professionally curated portfolios known as PIEs. Click on the referral bonus in the description below if your research leads you to M1 as well. That bonus will help you kickstart your investing journey, and once you get signed up, I have a collection of videos all about the M1 Finance platform and how to use it. So if you continue your investing journey to freedom, stay with I Am. Step 3 is to get digital. Once you choose your brokerage and you sign up, you're going to want to connect a bank account to transfer your first deposit so you can purchase step 4. I recommend completing these steps on a larger web page, but once you are signed up, you have an app that you can download so you can track your portfolio on the go. That brings us to step 4. Keep it simple and choose low-cost ETFs with qualified dividends or stocks that have great reputations. This is where you can begin to build your model portfolio, or with M1, you can simply copy a portfolio similarly to a target date fund inside of a 401k. Before I reveal the final step, I want to take a moment to think about the old you and the new you. I had to shift from thinking in days and dollars and start thinking in years and decades. This will not happen overnight, but I do want to share how I went about taking control of my financial future and show you, the audience, just how simple it can be to build your financial strength with a little or a lot of capital. How do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time. This is a marathon, not a sprint. I started with M1 Finance back in August of 2023, and I want to build this community of M1 Finance investors who are searching for a better life. It is amazing just how fast your life can change once you commit to taking control of your investments. No one is going to care more for your money than you are, so I want to help anyone in need that needs direction. But if you made it this far in the video, that means you are serious about your investment goals. Take pride in that. But for you in the audience, I need your help. Reach out to me in the comments below if you are stuck or need some extra assistance in setting up with M1 Finance. I have the referral link below that can help you kickstart your journey. And after that, a collection of videos to help you get started. These tips and tricks of investing are not hard to learn and can be mastered with the right mindset and approach. On this channel, we are going to create a better future by helping anyone willing to take the first step. Now, the final, step number 5, and truly the most important step. You must turn on automatic investing. Similar to the audience members who hold a 401k at your job, You set it and you forget it. You let that investment grow over time. I bet you barely log into your portal to check the balance. You need to take a similar approach with your M1 Finance dividend investment account. Whether you choose a Roth IRA or a traditional brokerage account, you need to create an automatic setup. It's the eighth wonder of the world, compound interest. Turn on autopilot and continue researching. Automate weekly or monthly investing. I like to do weekly investing so I can invest more frequently, but if you get paid monthly or bi monthly, every paycheck, take a percentage out. If you commit to 10% of your take home income, in 1 year, you'll be so surprised as to where your investing journey will take you. That's the secret to investing. Once you set it up, you begin to build confidence. It's like paying your future self. It's a security blanket for you and your loved ones. I want to warn you, though, you may begin to rest easy at night. With the cost of living crisis that I mentioned before, this is the secret you have been searching for. Hit that like button if you found value in this content, and like I said before, reach out if you are struggling to start your financial path. Check out this video over here to take another bite of the financial elephant.